Hey there. Welcome to Crypto Sensei, and today we're diving into one of the most critical but often misunderstood parts of crypto, the consensus algorithm. What is a consensus algorithm? When you send crypto, how does the network verify that everything was done correctly? That's where consensus comes in. A consensus algorithm is the mechanism that allows a decentralized network to agree on a single version of truth, even when the participants don't trust each other. In centralized systems, decisions are made by a single authority. But in blockchain, there are thousands of nodes, and they all need to agree on which transactions are valid. Why is consensus important in blockchain? The challenge is this: the network participants, nodes, don't necessarily trust each other. So how can we be sure no one cheats? That's why blockchains use strict rules and incentives, consensus algorithms, to choose who gets to add the next block, encourage honest behavior, make cheating either impossible or not worth it. Key elements of all consensus mechanisms: most algorithms have one thing in common. Validators must put up something valuable, known as a stake, as a guarantee of honest behavior. This stake could be computing power, like in proof of work, coins, like in proof of stake, or even reputation. If a validator cheats, they lose their stake. If they act honestly, they're rewarded, usually in crypto. Another key idea is transparency. Anyone should be able to verify that the system is working and spot bad actors. Proof of work, POW. Where it all began. POW is the original consensus model. It powers Bitcoin. Miners compete to solve complex puzzles by hashing data over and over until they find a valid hash. The first one to solve it gets to add the block and earn a reward. To do this, they need special mining hardware and a lot of electricity. That's why mining is expensive, but it's also what makes POW so secure. The idea is, creating a valid block is hard, but verifying it is easy. That makes cheating practically impossible. Proof of stake, POS, a greener alternative. Instead of burning energy, POS uses coin ownership as the basis for trust. You stake your coins, and the more you stake, the higher your chances of being chosen as a validator. You don't need expensive hardware, just a wallet and some coins. Validators earn transaction fees when they validate blocks. But if they try to cheat, they risk losing their staked coins. POS is more energy efficient and accessible, but it also comes with risks, like wealth centralization. Are there other consensus algorithms? Yes, plenty. Beyond POW and POS, other models include delegated proof of stake, DPoS, where users vote for validators. Proof of authority, POA, where trusted identities validate blocks. Proof of burn, proof of elapsed time, and hybrid consensus systems. We'll explore these in future videos. Final thoughts: consensus algorithms are the heart of the blockchain. Without them, there would be no trust, and no crypto. POW has proven its security over time, but is energy-intensive. POS is more scalable and sustainable, but still being tested at scale. New models are being developed all the time. The bottom line: consensus is what makes decentralization possible. Enjoyed the video? Subscribe to Crypto Sensei and hit that bell so you don't miss new tech breakdowns. Let us know in the comments, which consensus method do you prefer, POW or POS? See you in the next episode.